Hey YouTubers! Thank you for joining Carz. My name is Christina and I'm here to talk to you about compression tests on an engine. We had a Ford 2015 F59 Stepvan that came in and they were having problems starting it and lost the power. So we did a compression test on all 10 cylinders of the engine and it failed. So what are some ways to tell if you need a compression test done? Well, one of them is starting problems that aren't related to the weather or the outside temperature. Poor fuel economy, increased oil consumption, blue smoke that comes out, unexplainable loss of power, excessive crank case pressure. So if you're having any problems, please call us at Carz and please make sure to follow us on YouTube and hit the like button. Have a good day.
877 4277